This nonprofit Denver bike shop
All right.
It's just a great place to be. That's really what is kind of the heart and soul of who we are.
is in full momentum, gearing up for Wednesday's Bike to Work Day.
It's definitely a big day.
We call ourselves Denver's Community Cycling Center.
The Bike Depot is providing free fit adjustments to those looking to ride this Wednesday.
We go from top to bottom, look at what's wrong, what can be fixed, how to do that as cheaply as possible. If it's been in the garage for the last year and they're deciding to ride to work, that they don't, get hurt or end up with a flat tire or a problem halfway there.
They'll not only check the tires and tire pressure, the nuts and bolts, but anything else it takes to make it a comfortable fit.
The more successful we can make that for folks, the more fun they have, the more they'll realize that it's a really attainable thing, that it's not that difficult, it's not something that needs to be scary, and that it can actually be both healthy and kind of enjoyable. That's the big push for us, is to just get out there and make the experience as positive as possible for folks.
That's a really cool part about the Bike Depot.
All in hopes of having more people keep their car parked and their bike wheels rolling.
To help encourage people to make a choice to do the commuting thing more than just one day a year.
In Denver, Corey Rose, 9 News.